Hey everyone, welcome back to another quick how-to. In this video, we are going to show you how to play multiple YouTube videos in Android. So basically, the first thing that you're going to do is open up your internet browser or your Google Chrome and you're going to search for m.youtube.com. So as you can see right here, so you need to make sure that you sign in your account but different account from your YouTube app. So once you assigned in your account right here, so let's have a example. So let's play a video right here. For example, let's tap on this video and we're gonna post it here. Once it play, for example, so we're gonna mute our audio and we're gonna post. Now go to your YouTube app. So we're gonna make a split screen. So what you're going to do here, just remove that gallery, open up this YouTube app right here or make a split screen. So tap and hold and tap on that icon so you can see. And here we have YouTube app and your YouTube on browser. So as you can see here, we can play multiple YouTube videos in Android. And that's all. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe to this channel and don't forget to ring the bell icon to notify you on the next video.